So before you start watching this video, I need to let you know that I am making this video with pain in my heart. Um, I'm not proud of what I'm going to share with you in this video. Most of the time I'm going to share with you. I'm making this video with pain in my heart because of the experiences and the journey I had to go through to make my first 10 million naira online legitimately and legally. All right. I'm not proud of most of the things I'm going to share with you. It's quite shameful, and I hope that someone who watches this video is going to learn, and I believe you're going to learn two things. The first thing you're going to learn is how people are making a lot of money online, and how I was able to make this huge amount of money online. That was far back as at 2018. All right, far back at 2018 or thereabout, and you're going to learn how people are making a lot of money online and how you can also make a lot of money online. And secondly, you are going to learn the mistakes to avoid, the pitfalls, the traps on your way that you need to avoid if you really want to, get this money, sustain this money, and build lasting wealth for yourself. Okay, welcome to my channel. My name is Courage. Please, I'll ask you to kindly give this video a thumbs up. Just like this video so that more people get to see it. If you are new here, consider subscribing to my channel and turn on the bell icon so you get notified whenever I post videos. Now let's get started. I'm not going to waste your time. I'm just going to go straight and show you how I made my first 10 million naira online, legitimately, legally, as a very young boy, who was, trying to find his way to make money legitimately without involving myself in any form of any nonsense. Do you get me? And because I did not have a proper guide, a proper mentorship. I did not have anyone, telling me what to do and what to avoid. So most of the things you're going to see in this video, you forgive me. You forgive me. So how I made my first million was 2018. I sold something. I sold a lot of things, right? I sold a lot of things. I was selling. In fact, I made my first million from mini importation. Yes, mini importation. I was importing items from China at a ridiculously cheap price, and was selling in Nigeria at, of course, a higher amount for good profit. I was young. Would I say I was young and stupid and young and foolish? Well, whatever you want to call it, but I was young. I was making money. I was living a very good life. Not so good if I look back now. Okay, back in the days it was a good life, but right now it was not so good. So I'm going to show you the item I sold. In fact, I sold a couple of items, but one blew up. Yes, I sold a lot of things. This is not about making money online. You're going to try so many things. You're going to try different stuff. It's just like running a business, right? You're going to try and fail, but you're not going to stop. You try, fail, and you keep pushing until you get to the jackpot, right? So I sold a couple of different stuffs, which, of course, they brought in money for me, but one was the one that launched me into the main money, the bulk of money. And I'm going to share everything with you. How I bought the product from China, how I imported to Nigeria, and how I actually made my first 10 million naira online. And back then I thought I was a big boy. I thought I was thinking to say I don't arrive. It's now in the past anyway. So let me show you the product I sold that got me that money. So let's go to Alibaba. Alibaba.com. Good. Now we are here on Alibaba. Okay. This was where I purchased the product from. This was the site where I purchased the product from. I purchased the product from Alibaba in China and I shipped to Nigeria. In fact, the good thing about buying this product back in the days was that it takes less than 1 week for me to receive the product in Nigeria. Like, I wasn't using sea. I was shipping express shipping. It was more expensive to ship express shipping, but because what I was selling has a very light weight, that's why when I teach people on importation, I say focus on products that are not bulky and not heavy, because you're going to spend more on importing it. You're going to spend more. You buy it at a cheap price, but shipping it will be expensive. So I buy products that are very lightweighted. Right. So let me show you the product I sold. That is the wheel light. If you are very okay with my channel, if you've been on this channel for a long time, you must have heard me talk about this a lot. The wheel light. Yeah, this is wheel light, bicycle light, something like that. This product looks very stupid, but it made me some stupid money. Exactly. This is the product here. Boom. This one. I was the first person to sell this product in the whole of Nigeria. The whole of Nigeria, because I'm very good at product sourcing. I'm very good at product research. I research products, I get products, and I start selling. Right. So I research this product. I bought this product in 2018 or 19, 2018 for 114 naira, 170 naira, thereabout, less than 200 naira actually. I bought this product for less than 200 naira back then. Okay. And I'll tell you how much I sold it and how I sold it. I'm going to show you my sales page. That is the sales page I use there, no free sales page. Oh, I'm going to show you everything so that you see that these things are real. They are not magic here. Okay. Now this is the light here. This is the light. Once you fix this light on your bike or on your car, on the valve of your car, as you're moving, the light is, it's showing light. Your tire is lighting up. The wheels of your car is lighting up. It's just for a fizzy, for serenre, for show off. It beautifies the car. But this light only works in the night, because if you are driving your car during the daytime, nobody gets to see the light. Nobody sees the light. It does not add anything to your life or to your car. But at night, as you are driving, it's showing beautiful lights. And so look at it. It has different colors. This is pink, I think lemon, blue, green. It has red. It has different colors. Now this is it. This is it here. As you are moving, it is showing light, right? Amazing product. This is how you fix it on the tire, on the valve of your bike, bicycle, or car. But I focused on selling to car owners. So once you fix it there, as you are driving the car, the light the tire is lighting up. Fizzy. It's beautiful at night, sparkles. It attracts attention to you, all eyes on you, your whatever, right? So I bought this at 117, 14 naira, but 170. I've forgotten, but it shall less than 200 naira from China in 2018. And I shipped to Nigeria through Chris Vic Mall. I use their express shipping, sharp, sharp. They just ship it to me. So even while my advert is running, while my Facebook ad is running, even if I'm out of product, I know that in the few days, 4 or 5 days, I've gotten the products from China. So I was just selling, buying, selling, buying. Now this is, I look at the product here. I still have it here. Look at this one in my house. You can see it here. After I sold this one, when people started joining me to sell this one, because Nigerians, once they see that this thing is moving, they will join you, they will sell it. Of course, it's a free market, it's an open market. You cannot stop anyone from importing and selling. So once I saw that this one, more people were getting involved, I had to move to another product, the same kind of product, but another design. You can see that this one is tall and long. I moved to this other design here. This one, this shorter one. This shorter one, I moved to this shorter one. Now, the difference between this shorter one and this long one is simple. This long one has different colors, red, green, but this shorter one has multicolor. One of this, like this one of this is green. In this long one, this one is green. But in this one that you are seeing green, it can show green, orange, red, blue, just on one light. So it was multicolored. All right. So the moment I saw that people were beginning to join me to sell this one, I switched from this and started importing this one. And this one, because my customers were also complaining that the light was long, so it was easy for people to break it on the road. Like mistakenly, two cars try to move and one can break it. So, but this one was shorter, so it now fits into the valve very well without breaking. So I switched and started selling this one. I used Wix. When I tell people, you don't need to have knowledge of everything before you start making money online. Here, this was my sales page. Look at it. Wix, free, the free version, the free version of Wix, right? The heading was light up your car wheels and become the major attraction whenever you turn up. I just put these pictures there. This is how your car wheels will light up at night, right? This is the valve. This is the light you're going to buy. These LED lights are a perfect addition to your car, bike, or motorcycle. The motion activated light automatically turns on when the vehicles move, and they are perfect for safety at night, bad weather, and simply looking cool. Right? I said just screw it onto the tire valve to install it and enjoy the super bright energy saving, long lifespan of the LED. How much I sold it? 15,000 naira. This night bought it for less than 200 naira from China, 2018. I was selling it for 15,000 naira for the four lights. So once you pay 15,000 naira, we deliver it to you, install it on your car, and you're going to test it and see that it works. All right. See now, see my own now. Like I said, see my own. It's still here. Do you know why I'm keeping this product? Because this is the product that changed my life, that changed my journey in the internet marketing. This is the product that changed my e-commerce experience. This product made me millions and millions and millions of money. Here, you see it? So I'll just lose it now and show you. See it here, right? This is it. This is the product here. This is the product that changed my life. So I've kept this. I'm going to show my children. I kept this. You can see it, right? So I kept it. I didn't want to sell everything. I kept some for future references. 2018, more than 10 million naira. So you can see my sales page. Nothing special about this sales page. Honestly, nothing special. I just listed the features. This is the order form here. You fill in your name, your phone, your last name, your phone number, your preferred color, right? Then your delivery address and date of delivery. Tell us the day you want it to be delivered. Finish, submit. Once you submit, I will receive the order. Finish, and I'll deliver it to you. This sales page does not look fanciful. Nothing. It's very empty. But people were buying. I sold more than 2,000. I sold more than 4,000. I don't want to exaggerate, but the money I made from this product was more than 10 million naira. But guess what? I could not account for a dime. Yes, I could not account for a dime because I was reckless. I was stupid at that time. I was living in a hotel. So you can imagine now. I was living in a hotel. Like, do you know, at that very young age, you are making stupid money. People would think that you are doing you are into Yahoo or something. No, it was legit and legal. But when we ball past Yahoo boys. We ball past those illegal people. Like, we're hitting the club, we're buying stuff, just living the life. Why? Because the money did not come in a bulk. Like, it did not come one time. The 10 million naira did not come bam. No. It was coming one, one, one. Each day I can sell up to 5 pieces or 10 pieces. And on each product I was getting at least 10,000 naira profit. It was more than 10,000 naira, but I just have to benchmark it at 10k because the product, the shipping, the advert delivery, everything, I just put them into the 5,000 naira in the 15k. It's remaining 10k. So I was making a profit of at least 10k on each product that I sold, right? So I sold more than 4,000 pieces of this product because this thing is fancy food. You know how many people that have cars in Lagos, then in Abuja, then in Warri, in Asaba. Do you know how many people that have cars in Nigeria? So selling even just 4,000 pieces was very small. But then I was just, the money was coming pieces by pieces. Today you get 50k. The next day you get 70k. The next one you get 100k. So it was not coming like in millions. If not, I would have been able to save. And then I did not have the idea. I was just so lost, right? It was my first time of making those kind of huge amounts personally on my own for myself, working for myself. You understand? No guide, no proper guidance, no proper mentorship, nothing. I was just there with friends also who want to enjoy the life. So we were living in hotels for more than 1 year. You know what it means to live in a hotel for more than 1 year. Every day you pay, you man, God, because the money was coming every day. In fact, I did my own delivery myself back in those days. Yes, now we did deliveries. Now I even use OPay, Oride. Once the order comes in, I'll just enter Oride. That time Oride was cheap. The bike, just order the bike, carry you, go straight to the customer. This was back in the days. I made stupid money, but I cannot account for it now. In fact, I did not even know I've made this money until I started seeing the number of products I've sold. That was when I realized that, oh, I don't make money for this thing. But where's the money now? It was the money was coming small, small, 50K a day, 70K in one day, 100K like that. And as it was coming, I was eating it with mouth. I was eating it, buying things for people. Just, do you understand? Doing those, man, I was just wasting it. I did not know that I have made this kind of money until I sat down one day to calculate and see how much and see the number of items I have sold, the number of pieces, the pieces I have sold in this. When I realized that I've sold more than 1,000, more than 2,000, I did demands 10,000 Naira multiplied by 2,000. I realized that I have been stupid. I have been stupid and careless. So that's just why I'm making this video for you. For you to make money online, you have to sell something. Something that people will find valuable. In this case, people found this light valuable for their car, right? For safety, for attraction, for beauty, right? For ego. I bought it cheap, 200 Naira, less than 200. And I was selling it for how much? For 15K, as you can see on the sales page here. At a point, I paused the advert and I increased the money from 15 to 17,500 and people were still buying. I gave to my students, some of my students, they sold pieces, especially one of them, Israel. Israel sold the thing there. When I asked him later, he said he has sold more than 400, more than 500 pieces. I was like, yes, good boy, keep doing it. These are the things. Once you learn how to sell, you will never, ever in your life lack money, at least some certain amount of money, not like big money, but feeding money, small, like 100K, 200K, 300K. You cannot lack this kind of money anymore because you know how to sell. I did not use Elementor. I did not use Insta Builder. I use Wix. You can see now, free version. From here, you can see the stuff, right? Wix, couragemola.wix.whichsite.com, Wheel Light. This thing was created a long time ago, either 2018 or 2019. All right? So yes, 3 weeks, I just created the sales page, drag and drop. In fact, just go to Wix now and learn how to create a sales page. If you don't have money to buy InstaBid or Elementor, learn how to use Wix to create free sales page or free website, right? It's as simple as that. It's very simple. That's how I made this money. Selling wheel light, selling this light. I will share some of the products I sold later that made me money, but I'm just going to take it one step at a time. So please, if you are still struggling to make money, it's because you have not realized or you don't know how to sell or you don't know what to sell. First, you start by learning how to sell. Once you have learned how to sell, the next step is to learn what to sell, what will appeal to people. Once you fix these two together, you don't blow. You will make a lot of money. So don't be like me. Make money, but don't squander. Don't squander. Don't spend it on stupid things. I was very young and naive then. It cannot happen again. Never. Any money I make now, I take my time to. I'm a family man now. So I cannot be careless with money anymore. I cannot go and live in a hotel anymore. I cannot be buying nonsense things that does not add value to me anymore. I cannot be spending money in clubs anymore. So please, learn how to sell and learn how to be accountable. Find someone to guide you. Find someone to direct you. Find someone to be accountable to so that you will see light in your life. This year, you're going to make a lot of money if you follow my channel and if you implement the things I teach. In fact, I have a lot of videos on e-commerce, on how to, even on importation, right? So if you check my channel now, you are going to see the playlist. You see the e-commerce playlist. You see the importation playlist, mini importation. You will see the Facebook ads playlist. Once you learn these three things, you can never be poor in your life. You can never be poor in your life. So yes, thank you for watching this video. Don't abuse me. I know it was in the past. I cannot make such mistake again. Thank you. I wish you the best and thank you for watching. Please like this video, share so that many other people can also learn. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask. If you have contributions, if you have made the mistakes that I also made, please share your own story with us in the comment section. I'll be there waiting to hear from you. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Cheers, guys.